can't get in the truck.
What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. I am Mike, aka Living with 3M Auto Vlogging. What we're going to discuss is this key fob right here and what to do if you have a dead battery. First off, you got to know how to get in the vehicle. Then you got to know how to start the vehicle. So we're going to discuss that right now. All right, so what to do when your key fob dies, the battery dies with these Fords. All right, you're probably gonna have another key fob that the battery will work on, obviously. All right, usually you get two. All right, but usually you just throw this one in the drawer. You never use it. You always carry just one key fob with you. And that's understandable. That's what most of us do. Okay, but you're out somewhere like I was last night, key fob's dead, won't do anything. What do I do at that point? First off, how do I get in the truck? All right, on this key fob right here, this your model Ford, and a lot of them will be similar. All right, there's a little button right here. You push that, look at that. There's your key. It's gonna get us in the door.
You kidding? What will they think of next?
Yeah, actually, you can use your door code here to gain access to the vehicle other than the key. Also, if you got the Ford Pass app, you can gain access. You can start the vehicle up from anywhere, really, as long as you got your app on your phone.
The hell you say?
Hey, don't you cuss on this here channel. Just like that. Don't allow you to gain access into the vehicle. All right, guys, so key fob is dead. Okay, so there's no way to start the vehicle with this. I mean, it's not gonna do anything. All right, it's not gonna do a thing. So it's dead. What do I do? All right, I'm gonna show you right now. And it involves this cup holder at the front. All right, there's a secret compartment right under this rubber mat in the cup holder. I'll reach down and remove this. It's got a little plastic or rubber grip on it. You can grab that. Ah, look at there. All right, I'll show you on the back side right here. There is nothing there. Look at that little secret compartment right there. So I'll go ahead and put this tray back down in there. Okay, so you sit down in the truck and you push your button right here. No key detected. So you're panicking right about now, thinking, oh wow. Okay, so what we're gonna do is put this down in here. There we go. Did you see that? Just like that. So I was just thinking about something. Working on the truck, giving you guys the tips about the remote fob and the car key. I was thinking, car keys, me and car keys. Where have I heard that? Me and car keys. I know, my buddy right here, me and car keys. Y'all really need to check him out. Check out all his videos he's got to offer on, he's got an F150, plus tons of other videos that go well beyond the F150. But it's just, his channel is just out there, guys. It's awesome. And I just want to mention that right there. You guys will not find a better how-to channel for your car or truck on the internet. Check him out.
Speaking of the Ford Pass, I want to pass like my grandfather did peacefully in his sleep.
I'm sorry to hear that.
Yeah, not screaming and yelling like the passengers in his car.
I'll also put links down in the description. If you guys have lost your key fob, I've got a link that you can purchase a replacement key fob. Also, I'm gonna put a link down there for replacement batteries. Yep, Gotta have those batteries, guys. So yeah, it's that simple if you know what to do when that situation arises. So hopefully you guys watch this video and you just take that little information, stick it in your back pocket, and you won't freak out when that happens. All right, so that's gonna do it for this video of how to get in your vehicle and how to start your vehicle with a dead key fob battery in these Fords. Zeus, the Raptor, and I will catch y'all in the next video.